Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how can you see and recover deleted messages on Messenger, so let's jump right into it. First we go to your settings to turn on notifications for Messenger so that you can check out the deleted messages in the top of the screen on your control center. So search for notifications and open Messenger notifications and make sure you have the notifications turned on. Now that's what you can do to see the deleted messages. What you can do to recover them, you can go ahead and open Facebook and tap right here in the top right corner, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, then open settings. From here, scroll down until you find download your information, this one right here. Go ahead and open it and request a copy of your information with your Facebook account, just like that. Now after a couple of days, your request or copy of information will be ready. All you need to do is to download it to your device. After downloading it, you need to open it and extract it, and you find the chats and conversations there with all of the messages, including the deleted ones. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.